Mayroong portable trailer wash. Paugas tayo. Are they do a wash there? You're doing a wash? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Kasi baka mamaya wala akong mahanap na papahugasan. Hi! Are you guys doing a wash?
Yes.
I have my truck over there.
Are you did you already unload?
Yeah, I already unload.
You can park right here.
How much is it?
40.
40? Is it okay with you, the camera? I'm a vlogger.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, okay. I will back here and do you gonna do the job?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do both at the same time. It's actually, let me see this piece. Yeah, you can park right here. We do both at the same time.
Okay, sure. I will back in here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello. Well, camera, say hi. Okay. Ayan guys, magpahugas na rin tayo. Tapos tsaka tayo pumunta ngayon sa truck stop. Pahugas muna tayo rito na. Okay, so atras tayo dyan. Buti na lang may portable trailer wash dito. 40 USD.
Wow!
Yan. Hop. Alright, baka mamaya sagihin pa natin yung ano. At least paano malinis na yung trailer natin. Okay. Tapos another ano naman yan guys, another $40 na naman para dyan sa trailer wash. Siyempre may resibo tayo dyan para sa ganun may baliklat yung mga pera na yan. Buti may mga cash ako 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. May 140 pa ako. Baka mamaya kailangan ko pa ng cash somewhere down the road. Ayoko nang gumamit ng credit card. May bayad sa interest yung credit card Pare muna natin. Okay. Halo buddy. $40. Yeah, later once you're done, I'm going back in there. I'm going to grab my.
Yes, right.
I'm going to grab my my load bar. Oh yeah, like that load bar.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay. Hello. Oh, yun pala, may mga ilaw din pala doon. Balik tayo rito guys para kunin yung load bar ko. Wala akong load bar sa sa trailer. Ay pate, where is my load bar? Load bar, you do not put it back.
Let me see if they have.
Okay. I don't see any in the. I don't see. I will come with you in the outside. Okay. Balikan natin. Logistic. I will come with you. I will come with you. I'll go get my load bar if there is in there. Hirap mawalan ng load bar guys. Baka mamaya hindi tayo manuhan makarga kasi wala tayong load bars. Hindi na tayo pwede ron sa loob. Dito lang tayo. O, nilak na nila agad. Tayo lang tayo rito. Keep the door closed.
Oh, sir.
No load bar?
No load bar.
Oh, that's impossible. Okay, but anyway, thank you. Okay, bye. Nakakapagtaka rin naman guys, walang load bar pala. Simple yan. But anyway, wala tayong magagawa. Sabi, wala eh. Ito namang aking load na to eh, pinick up ko lang naman ito doon. Loaded na ito, kaya hindi ko alam kung nilagyan ng load bar ito o hindi na. Wala tayong magagawa. Wala. Pero meron akong load bar sa truck, dalawang load bar. Alright guys, naambon-ambon dito. Oh, bilisan lang. Hi.
My video. Hey, video.
Oh, you wanna video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey!
Okay. May ilaw. Buti nga yung trailer na yun, may ilaw. Ito wala. Ayos din itong negosyo nila, oh. Wash out. Wash out. 956-510-6 Kung sa Pilipinas meron lang tayong ganitong klase ng business guys, maganda na to. Tutok ka lang sa mga ano eh, nag-haul ng mga karne, mga ganyan. May mga affordable wash out sila, oh. May mga makina dyan. Generator, ayos. Tapos ang bayad guys, $40. Hindi na masama. Bilisan mo. Wash out lang naman eh. Hindi naman natin kailangan na pabangon. Wash out lang. Dito sa kabila rin, eh. Si ate, oh, napabanguan pa. Ayun guys, mukhang ito magpapahugas din ng trailer niya agad-agad. Malakas pala ito. Ang lakas naman ng bintahan nila rito o service nila rito. Nakatutok eh. Magandang negosyo to. Hindi nauubusan, hindi nawawala ng customer eh. Dire-diretso eh. Ay, tapos na. Ay, you're done? Can you move that wood?
Okay, I'll get that right now.
You have something?
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
I'll get it
sure,
right now.
okay. May kunting kahoy doon eh. Patanggal natin. Ayos. napakalinis. Itong tubig nila rito, mayroon sigurong gamot. Alright, tapos na. Kunin ko na lang yung resibo guys, tapos sarado ko to. Itong ano natin, trailer natin. Okay. Boss. Work out. Alright. Your tank, can you put something in there like chemical?
Yeah, we put a pill.
Okay. How many truck you was in whole day? Sometimes
On Mondays, usually 20 to 15. On the other.
Okay.
Yeah, that's only on Monday though. But, on average day, every other day, it's like maybe 5 to 10.
so,
Yeah.
so basically you make at least 20 in one day.
Yeah, that's all.
Monday and the other day is just regular like
Yeah, regular.
Day to day. That's a lot of money. You make a lot of money.
Yeah,
Your own day?
it's my brother. He's in Colorado right now. So
Oh, in Colorado. You okay
Yeah.
the camera?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
fine.
okay, you're fine, okay. Alright, thank you.
I will just see right now. real quick.
Get the receipt, okay. Akalain mo guys, sa isang araw nagagawa nila. But of course, napakaganda yun guys na negosyo, no? So, basically, sabi niya, pag Lunes, kasi Lunes ngayon, kalakasan, lalo na, galing ako ng Canada, kailangan ko magpahugas. So, sabi niya, 20 times 40. So, 20 times 40 USD kasi 40 USD ang binayad ko equals 800 guys sa isang araw. Siguro, mix lang itong mga to. Hindi ko alam kung paano bayar. Malaking halaga na yun oh, tubig lang yan. Tapos lagyan nila ng chemical. Kalahin mo, maghapon 300. Parang nangamuhang ka na rin. So, kwintahin natin, no? Bali 15 ang sabihin mo na lang na 15 ang isang araw sa Lunes hanggang hanggang Biyernes. So 15 times 5 equals 15 times 5 days equals 75 times 4 4 weeks equals 300 times 40. You guys making $12,000 a month.
Maybe.
Maybe something in there. Okay.
Yeah, it just depends on the day.
Oh,
Trailer
yeah.
number?
Unit
Trailer number?
1451 sir. Yeah. Make a lot of money, eh?
Well, it just depends on the day. Sometimes there's like none.
Sometimes this is low.
Yeah, some days we have like none for like
Because
for,
I
like,
come
the
from
week.
Canada, so probably every Monday is the one
Yeah,
is
it's
a lot
usually, that's
of...
why Canadians always Mondays.
Oh,
Mondays and
okay,
Fridays.
yeah. Alright. Thank you, my friend. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Okay. See you again next time. Probably if I deliver here. Alright, guys. Ayan. Natapos ang... have a good day. Alright. Papahugas natin dito. Tara. Ito guys. $40 resibo. 40. Alright guys, tara. Sarado natin ang trailer. Laredo, Texas. Oops, Texas. Oh, malinis na malinis. Ayos. Okay, so fuel. Marami-rami pa. Alright guys, ayan. Let's go, harap ka ng truck stop. Okay, mayroong text sa akin ng dispatch ko guys. Sabi niya, pick up mo sa Mercoles papuntang Vancouver. Kaso kailangan mong mag-reset. Sabi niya, sa Wednesday pa? Ano ngayon? Lunes, Martes, Mercoles ang pick up. Dalawang araw pa. Anyway, wala tayong magagawa. So maghanap ako ng ano guys, maghanap tayo ng truck stop muna. Tara. Force. Baga sa ano, force. Ano na naman ako? Force reset na naman tayo dito. Ay naku.
Lakai Tracker.